Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to check in online on Jet2. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Jet2 application. When you did that guys, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and check and register to Jet2. But guys, if you do not know how to do it, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Jet2 videos where you can go and check out how you can do it. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So guys, as you can see here, we have the Jet2 application, where we have in the top left corner we have the inbox, and in the top right corner we have the menu, where you have a lot of options where you can go search for holidays, flights, manage your flights, get in touch, see your boarding pass, and a lot of things can be done here. Now in the bottom you have the home, you have the holidays, you have the flights, booking, sign in, and the offers option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check in online on a Jet2. Well guys, it is pretty simple. You just need to go and click on the top left corner, top right corner, sorry, click on the menu button. Now when you did that guys, you just need to go and click on manage my booking. So basically what you need to do is click on the third option, click on manage my booking. And here guys, when you have actually have a booking, then you will have an option to go and check in, because you have a booking, you have a flight, you can then go and check in that flight. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.